it would not be hyperbole for me to state that this book has the potential and the power to change your life. So I want to do it justice. Fast and Grow Young is my reissue of a book by Herbert Shelton, who spent a lifetime investigating and researching and collecting information on fasting over hundreds and hundreds of cases. And he's been able to determine certain patterns, certain repetitions that are helpful to understanding how the body works. So if you've ever doubted whether the body is coded to heal, if you've ever doubted nature's wisdom and how everything is already built into this natural world, you know, we don't need little blue pills from men in white lab coats. Nature has it already figured out. Check out this book. It's 470 pages. Don't be overwhelmed by the length. Just take it one step at a time. It has 37 chapters, pretty short chapters so you can get the necessary information. But I'm going to read through some of the chapters for you now, and chapter titles, just to give you an idea of what's in the book. Definition of fasting, fasting among the lower animals. One of the things you'll find if you have pets is that when pets are sick, when animals are sick in general, they don't eat. The fasting, they intuitively know that fasting is a way for the body to rest and heal itself. Autolysis, fasting, not starving, the influence of fasting on growth and regeneration, changes in the fundamental functions while fasting, fasting and sex, gain and loss of strength while fasting, does fasting cure disease, the length of the fast, rationale of fasting. Now, the rationale for fasting is simply that your body is either in a state of assimilation or it's in a state of elimination. And if you're eating and eating and eating, then your body is in an assimilation mode. And once you stop, then your body starts to eliminate. And it requires energy to do this. Once you stop the assimilation, the eating, you effectively allow the body to divert its energy to the elimination. And ultimately, if you do that long enough, your body will shift into a mode where it starts to rejuvenate and heal. So the basic rationale is you stop the digestive process by fasting, drinking water only to keep hydrated, and you allow your body to shift into a mode where it starts to rejuvenate and heal, and some miraculous things can happen during the fasting process. Does fasting cure disease? Length of the fast? How long should you actually fast for? As I've mentioned on several videos, my longest so far has been 17 days, but I have a good friend, she has gone for 30 days water fast. Hygiene of the fast, breaking the fast. There's tips for exactly how you should break the fast. That's a very important aspect. Is you don't want to break the fast by going to a five-star restaurant and having a big steak dinner. There's a way to transition into resuming solid food. So that I go into the book goes into that as well. And then I've added some bonuses to the book, which are stages of fasting. It's a very informative single page infographic that shares what to expect during each phase of the fast. Very, very powerful, very interesting. And then a schedule for breaking the fast. Again, this is probably the most important part of the fasting process, is how you break it. You can harm yourself if you break it too quickly or in an ill-advised manner. So with that said, check out Fast and Grow Young. You can go directly to the website fastandgrowyoung.com and get some more information there and check it out. The book can definitely change your life. It's actually probably the most popular book in the Ageless ADEPT'S series, that and A Clean Cell Never Dies. But check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.